Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to refund item on Instacart Shopper. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So refunding an item on Instacart Shopper app is straightforward but should be done carefully to ensure customer satisfaction. So the first thing that you need to do is identify the item to refund. During shopping, refund items if the store is out of stock and the customer doesn't want a replacement. Refunds can only be made before completing the delivery. Next thing is to head over and then while shopping or at checkout, navigate to current batch in your app. So tap on your cart and then tap on go to checkout. Now here what you need to do is find the item in the order that needs to be refunded. Tap on the item in the list to view its details. Then number 4 is to choose the refund option. Tap refund item. The option is available next to or below the item details. If you can find the option, ensure you're still in the shopping or checkout phase of the batch. And then next is to confirm the refund. Once you have selected the refund option, the app will remove the item from the order and adjust the total price accordingly. Continue shopping or complete the delivery after processing the refund. By following these steps, you can handle refunds efficiently, maintain good customer service, and avoid potential issues with your performance metrics. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.